Basically, it's low to mid 80s inland, and near the water, you have temperatures in generally the upper 70s. You can see 76 at Harrow, but 77 at Grosse Ile, 78 Mount Clemens, 79 at Sandusky. So near the water, mostly upper 70s. Then inland, we're looking at temps in the low 80s. Now, the dew points, most of the day, most of us were in the 50s today. That's nice, dry, comfortable summer air around here. But down to the south, we have a pool of much higher moisture air. You see these dew points are now up into the mid 60s. That will be coming in during the night, and that does two things. One is the obvious one. You know, it feels stickier when there's more moisture in the air. But the other one, don't forget, there is a rule of meteorology. The temperature can never fall below the dew point. So as these dew points rise tonight, that will keep the temperature from dropping as low as it did the last two nights. And we were very comfortable and in the 50s. Now we're going to be in the 60s for lows tonight because of this higher moisture coming on in. But with the moisture, there's not a whole lot going on to the south of us. There's really, in fact, it's just clear skies basically across the region. So we're looking pretty good right now, at least from an active weather standpoint. So let's dive into some detail on the weekend. And by the way, I have a new updated computer model here. This takes us a little farther into the day on Sunday. So let's talk about it. So first of all, here we are again with the clear skies. That warm front comes through tonight. Not without much fanfare. That's basically just the lead edge. It's the front edge of that warmer, moister air. Now, we're going to have some cloud cover moving in late tonight, but we're going to call it partly cloudy for the day tomorrow. It'll be a sun and cloud mix, and I think we're basically dry. Some models over the past couple of days have been trying to spit up a truly isolated shower late in the day tomorrow. I really think most of us, if not all of us, are not going to see that. All right, let's now talk about your Saturday. I think we're going to get some sunshine, and then it'll become partly cloudy. And again, the models are trying to spit up an isolated shower, particularly to the north. But again, I think at least 99% of us will probably have a dry day, daytime hours on Saturday. Now, there is a front back to the west, but watch what happens Saturday night. A lot of that stuff fizzles out. And so maybe we don't get a whole lot of anything with the front coming through Saturday night into Sunday morning. But we are still going to have some moisture and some humidity around on Sunday. So here we have partly cloudy skies. Now, this is the new part of the model. You can see it's popping up a few scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm possible, southern half of the area basically on Sunday. We'll keep you posted on that. But for tonight, 66 the overnight low, maybe low 60s in some of the outlying areas to the north, but overall not as comfortable as the last few nights. And then you can see tomorrow with more humidity, we get into the upper 80s for a high, so getting hot and sticky out there. And then Saturday's even worse, low 90s with really high humidity, so it's going to really feel sticky on Saturday. Start to get some relief on Sunday, and right now it looks like we could be dry all the way through next week. Remember, I have a 10-day forecast on our app that you can check out as well. That takes next weekend into account.
We are needing the rain here.
We need some. Yeah, it's very dry.
Thanks, Paul.